Hello ladies, and what is going on gentlemen? I say hello ladies because I know you're watching, even though according to YouTube analytics you are non-existent. That's right, 100% male viewership on the Touring Midwest channel. I know that's not true because I have friends that are females that watch my videos and comment, so that's a bunch of doopucky. Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Touring Midwest. I'm Andrew. This is my YouTube channel. I am on my 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra, which may or may not matter to you, but I like it. I like it a lot. So what are we doing tonight? It's Wednesday. About 6 o'clock. About 6 o'clock. I was going to say 5:30, but apparently time has escaped me. It's 65 degrees. It is September, and it is quickly chilling down. You can definitely tell it's fall here in Minnesota. But that means camping season's almost over, and I really want to get in another camping trip. Or not a trip, I want to camp. So what I'm thinking is, this Friday night, I think I'm going to go camping. I do not have my son this weekend, so I was going to party with my neighbors. Go over there, have a fire, drink some beer. But it turns out that they're going to not be around. They're going to be busy. So they ditched me. Can you believe they would ditch me? I can't. So I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? Because I have no friends, really. I'm just kidding. I have good friends, but they have families and they're busy with their life. So I'm thinking, well, I'm gonna go ride motorcycle. I'm gonna go camping Friday night. So what I'm doing is, I was looking at the online reservation system, and there's only 6 sites that are available out here this weekend, and that's just Friday night only. Nothing available for Saturday night, which is kind of a bugger. But I want to be sure, I want to try to find something that's sort of private. It's got a little bit of privacy so I can make some videos, you know. So I want to try to see if one of these sites is sort of secluded away from the rest of them. And hopefully that all works out. Is this place open? Don't really look like it, does it? Nope, they're closed. Otherwise I'd have to get out my pass, show them my pass, but I don't want to have to do that. Make sure I'm recording. Oh yes. So anyway, this is Myre Big Island State Park. If you've been following my channel for a while, you're probably fairly familiar with this state park because it is extremely local to me. But I don't mind that. Like, I love traveling and going out, but you know, this is super convenient. It's close to home, and once you're out here, it feels like you're away. It feels like you're on a trip. So of course you can't ride around and see new things or anything because, I mean, my driveway is only about probably 10 minutes away from here. Probably 10 minutes away from the campgrounds. Anyway, try to bring up these camp sites on my phone without crashing. Ugh. It's not the best road, I'll tell you that. These green ones are the available for Saturday or for Friday night. more wildlife now. Ideally, I'd like to be going a little bit faster than this through here, but I guess we could just crawl along. It'd be a little bit easier to balance if I was going more than 5 miles an hour. There you go. There you freaking go, mate. Okay. Let's see. 70 through 99. Well, we'll look this way first. Because we've got 38, 40, 41, and 45. Oh. And is that my grandpa's campground host again? I thought they were done being campground hosts. I don't know. Interesting. So that's 38. That's one of them. We're not going to do that one. And that's 40. That's not secluded enough either. All these happy campers. Camping is so much fun. I very much enjoy it. 48. Oh no, 45. We already passed that. That wasn't secluded enough. I'm gonna die out here. Okay, so we have to go to the other side. Now there's 2 campgrounds in Myre Big Island. White Fox, which is where we are now, and Big Island. Big Island, which is closed right now because they were remodeling the bathroom and shower facilities this year. So they closed her down for the year. Let's see, this is 60, 59, 60. I don't think that's on my list. I think we have to go all the way down to 78, 78 and 80. I've camped out here a handful of times, but I can't remember exactly which campsites were where. I've camped in quite a few of these campsites actually. 67 looks like an interesting site. I don't know what they're doing there. But this is the bit that gets the most traffic anyway. So if you want to kind of get away from everybody, you need to go back here, 70 through 98. Because people just driving through the park, they'll go around that loop, but they kind of avoid this loop. So what did I say? 78 and 80. And that's it. That's the only options. 71, 72, 73. Okay, so here's 78. Not too bad. I feel like I've camped in that site before. And here's 80. Oh. So I think 80. I think 80 is the one I want. So yeah, they've got a bunch of these closed down because social distancing. Apparently you can't camp too close to each other. Even, I don't know what it is, how it works, but they've got like half their sites closed down. So